The National Green Tribunal has imposed a total ban on sale and use of firecrackers in Delhi and adjoining areas starting midnight of November 9 to 30th of November. The ban has been imposed ahead of Diwali to prevent worsening of the air quality already in the severe zone. And because of firecrackers, the order will be applicable to more than 24 districts across 4 states that are a part of the NCR, and nationwide. It will also be applicable to cities and towns where the average ambient air quality in November last year was poor or worse, the Green Tribunal has said.
The National Green Tribunal on Monday imposed a total ban on the sale and use of firecrackers in Delhi NCR region from midnight of 9th November to 30th November midnight. The NGT order further said that the ban will be applicable in cities and towns where the air quality is poor category. The NGT further added that in cities or towns where the air quality is moderate or below, only green firecrackers will be sold and time duration will be bursting them will be restricted to the 2 hours during festive season such as Diwali, Chhath, New Year, Christmas Eve as may be specified by the state. Currently, the state government have their own set of guidelines with regard to permitting, banning the sale and use of firecrackers during the festive season. The Arvind Kejriwal-led Delhi government at a meeting on Thursday had decided to ban the use of firecrackers as it was directly proportional to the sharp rise in the national capital daily coronavirus tally. At a time when the national capital is witnessing a spike in the number of coronavirus disease cases, bursting of firecrackers can aggravate breathing issue, thereby making people vulnerable to the infection which targets lungs. Shortly after the NGT order, the Haryana government allowed the use of firecrackers between 8 p.m. till 10 p.m. on Diwali and Guru Purab and 11:55 p.m. till 12:30 a.m. on Christmas and New Year Eve. Apart from firecrackers, the rising pollution level in Delhi NCR can also be attributed to the expensive stubble burning. Delhi Air Quality Index continued to remain in the surf category for the 5th consecutive day. The AQI at 6 a.m. on Monday was 459 and the minimum temperature recorded at 8.30 a.m. The AQI at 6 a.m. on Monday was 459 and the minimum temperature recorded at 8:30 a.m. was 10 degrees Celsius. An AQI between the range of 301 and 400 and 401 to 500 is considered to be very poor and serve category respectively. Bureau Report.